Hey friends, it's Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting video for you because I have my Wantable style edit. If you are unfamiliar with Wantable, definitely go watch some of my last videos. I'll link one up in the cards for you. They do have 3 women's boxes and 1 for men. The women's are the style edit, which is the one I have today, the active edit, and a sleep and body, which is more of a lingerie slash loungewear subscription. I do have all 3 and I really do love them, and occasionally they will do some themed edits as well, which I think is so much fun. When you sign up for Wantable, you do pay a $20 styling fee, and if you purchase anything from the box, that will get credited back to you. They do also pay for return shipping for you, so that's entirely free and super easy. If you use my code down below, I do believe you will get that styling fee waived, and then you'll still be able to use that, so you will get $20 worth of free clothes. Definitely worth doing, so check the description bar down below. Let's go ahead and open this box. So on top of all of your Wantable boxes, you'll have a cute little sticker that says styled for, it'll say your name, but it says Ellie for me, and then everything is wrapped in tissue paper. This bundle is pretty large. So this is what we're working with today. This is quite a stack. I'm so excited. Okay, let's see what we got. So on the top, we do have our little brochure. Inside here, we'll have all of the items and the prices, as well as a note from your stylist. My stylist was Christina, and all of the items are in here. I'm not gonna look at the prices because I like to keep that a surprise. And then you will also have your return envelope where you can send back anything you don't like or don't want. Super easy, it's through USPS, so you can just schedule it to be picked up from your front door. So easy, I love it. Okay, now the fun stuff. So on top, we do have a little jewelry piece. They always send it in a cute little Wantable bag. If jewelry's not your thing or it's not something that you want, you can tell them that, and they will just send you clothes. Okay, these are from Lou & Co. I might not be able to show you too well, but this is kind of what they look like. They are like little arch shapes, and then they have some animal print on kind of the inner arch. These are cute. I'm not sure how much I would actually wear them, so I'm not going to try them on or anything. I'll see how the price is, and if it seems like, you know, a pretty reasonable deal, I might keep them for a Christmas gift or something, but I'm not 100% sure about those for myself. Next, oh, this is soft. Okay, Wantable, I see you. Oh my god, it's so soft. Okay, this is a cute little sweater. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it's kind of a sweatshirt, actually. Can you tell that this is my color palette? This is so soft. Oh my goodness. I hope it's not expensive because this is cozy. So it looks like it's a little sweatshirt with this cute little V, I guess, kind of. I want to say a herringbone, but yeah, this is cute. This is from 78 and Sunny, and I did get it in a large. This is cool. These are a jogger crop high rise from Michael Los Angeles. Looks like they are a pair of jean joggers, kind of. These are interesting. I'm excited to try this. This is definitely a little bit outside of my normal comfort zone, but I'm pretty excited to try those. Then we have, ooh, these are a pair of corduroy pants. I have not worn corduroy pants in a hot minute, but I like them. I think, can't tell what style they are. Looks like they are the Democracy Absolution Patriot Straight Leg, featuring slimming panels constructed to mold and hold your best assets. Okay, that's kind of funny. These are in a size 6, so we will see how those fit. I feel like jeans are just a pain. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, this is from Lush, and it is this gorgeous sweater, and one sleeve, it's kind of not showing up super well on camera. One sleeve is green and one sleeve is maroon. That is so fun. Okay, I really like this. So far, this box is really killing it. Okay, and then we have, ooh, a Wantable original, or a Wantable brand. This is also incredibly soft, and it's this really beautiful blue, looks like it's a tunic. This is very cozy, and I really like this color. I'm really excited to try this on. Oh my goodness. I have a feeling this is pricey, but I have a feeling that it's gonna be staying here. This is from Bagasse. Oh my goodness, it's a hooded cardigan with stars on it. Oh my goodness. This is so much fun. I love it. I absolutely love this. Okay. Well, this is really exciting. I am so excited to try all this stuff on. Let me move the camera around and we will try everything on. Okay, so the first thing that I have on is that blue tunic from Wantable, and I'm just wearing it with the jeans that I have been wearing all day. This is so incredibly cozy. I really like the length of it because I feel like this is actually good for wearing with leggings or even with just something that you don't really want to show everything. I feel like this color is so beautiful and flattering, and I just can't get over how soft it is. I absolutely love this one. I think this is definitely gonna be a yes from me. Okay, so I wouldn't wear this with this outfit, or definitely not this shirt at least, but this is that star cardigan. I think this is definitely a little too big for me. It's kind of looking a little bit like a magic cape, but I kind of like it. I'm kind of vibing with it. There are pockets, which is kind of fun, and I love this star print. I think this is so much fun. And then the hood itself, oh my goodness, I love this. I definitely kind of feel like a magician, but I'm not opposed. This is so cute. Again, I really like the length of it. I feel like this is so cute. I definitely think I would just need to size down, but Wantable's really good about exchanges, so if they have a medium in stock, I think I will be picking this up as well. Okay, so then I went ahead and threw on this sweatshirt. It definitely is a little bit longer than I'm wearing it, just so you can kind of see the jeans that I also put on. This is so cute. I like that it's kind of like a preppy style, but still kind of edgy too. It's so cozy. Again, just, I love how soft this is. And I actually think it's really flattering. I like how it kind of brings things up, makes you look like you kind of are standing with some good posture, which I could definitely use because I don't have great posture, but I definitely really like this. And then I have these jeans on. I'll kind of back up so you can see them. I have to back up pretty far, but this is what they look like. I actually think these fit me perfectly. When I went to put them on, I realized that they are a medium, and I was a little bit worried about that, but they actually fit me super nicely. There is some elastic all along the back, and then it does tie here, but there is a button as well. There are real pockets in the front and in the back, which is amazing. And then as they are labeled, they are kind of that jogger style. These are super comfortable. I actually feel like I would get a lot of use out of these, so I'm pretty into them. Pretty happy with this. They're doing good. Wantable's really, they're stepping it up. All right, last we have this sweater and these jeans. This sweater is so cute and I really do love it, but it is so itchy and it is already shedding all over everything I have. So it's going to be a no just because it's not very comfortable and it's just not very practical for me. I like things that are very easy to wear, easy to wash. And unfortunately, this does not seem to be that. These jeans, I'm really iffy about. So again, they're in a size 6, and I was a little worried about that, but they fit me like they were made for my body, which honestly, I never have happened. So I'm pretty happy about that. There is an elastic band on the inside. I'm not even sure if you can see that, but that makes it so much easier for them to come on, and it makes them just so much more comfortable. The corduroy is super, super soft, and the length is really nice. I'll kind of pull back so you can see that. They're really quite cute, honestly. I don't love the straight cut style on me. I feel like it just doesn't really do anything for me, and I'm kind of all about doing things that make me feel really, really good rather than just like, they're here. So I'm not 100% sure about these. I feel like if they're a good deal, it might be worth it, but I don't know. These two pieces are not really exactly what I was hoping for, but honestly, this is the best Wantable box I've had in a long time, so no complaints on my end. Let's go ahead and recap. All right, well, that was incredibly successful, so I'm a little bit nervous, but let's go ahead and look at some prices here. So first I want to go through the earrings, which I don't think I'm going to keep just because I'm not even sure who I'd gift them to. I do really like them, I just don't think I'd wear them. And these are the wooden arch earring in brown cheetah from Lou & Co. and they are $34. Honestly, not a bad price, just not something that I'm gonna keep. Then we have the super high-rise mom fit jogger in Lesbos. And these are from Micah Denim. These are $64. I do think that's a pretty good price for these. I'm just not sure if I'd get enough wear out of them. They're the exact same wash as my favorite black denim jeans, so they're not different enough for me to get them. But they are pretty comfortable. I might see if they have them in some other colors. Then we have the Absolution cord straight in Royal Rum from Democracy. These are $78. Again, like I was mentioning, I don't think they're flattering enough on me for me to warrant buying them. And I do feel like this color is something that I wouldn't wear all the time, but I'd definitely be willing to try some more jeans from Democracy in maybe just a traditional blue or maybe a white or a gray even. And we have the Brushed Intermingle Dolman from Wantable, and this is $58. This is super, super soft and very, very comfortable, and I actually love the dolman style, but I don't have this color, so I'm kind of tempted to get this. Not 100% sure yet. We'll see what else I pick up, but this one is definitely a maybe for me. Then we have this sweater, which again, I just absolutely love, but it is shedding like crazy. This is the long sleeve crew neck color block sweater in taupe and olive from Lush, and this is $59. Honestly, I think that's a really great price for this, but again, I just don't think it's practical enough for me. I do really like it, and I just wish it were a little softer. Then we have the 78 and Sunny Big Sur LS top in black marble, and this is $69. Oof. I do really like it, but I don't know if I can rationalize $70 for a sweatshirt like this. Let me know what you think. I'm curious. Is this something that you think you can rationalize 70 bucks on? Let me know. Lastly, we have the beautiful star cardigan, which I actually requested from the stream. I completely forgot about that. And that is $69. I actually totally think that's worth it for this, and I'm definitely gonna see if they have it in a medium just because I think it's a little bit too oversized for me, but I absolutely love this. I kind of hope that they can get it to me in time for Halloween because I feel like this would be so cute as a little kind of casual witch costume. I love this. So as of right now, I think I'm just gonna get the cardigan and the blue shirt. So those are my favorites. And then I would get my styling fee credited back to me. I'll have to do some math and see how I feel about it and what ends up working out. But if I were to buy everything in the box, it would only be $350, which I feel like that's pretty good. So honestly, I'm really impressed. I think this Wantable box knocked it out of the park. This is the best one I've had in so long. I'm gonna have to make some tough decisions. Thank you so much for coming to hang out with me. I feel like this box was so good. I'm so torn with what I'm gonna get, so definitely let me know what you think down below so that you can help me make my decision just a little bit easier. And if you're interested in trying Wantable yourself, definitely check that description box so you can save yourself a little bit of money. If you liked this video, definitely give it a like, and if I'm your vibe, definitely subscribe and stick around. I would love to see you back here. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to click on this video and come hang out with me. I really look forward to seeing you in the next one, and in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!